Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. My name is Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com, and in this video, we're taking a look at the song Know You Will by Hillsong. Before we get into it though, I'm going to be using some advanced guitar chords in this tutorial. Don't worry, I'll show you everything that you need to know, but if you want to learn even more of those advanced guitar chords and level up your guitar playing, then check out the link in the description below to the free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll teach you even more of those advanced guitar chords that you can implement into your guitar playing and level up your guitar playing. Other than that, let's get into the tutorial. Out, you can see a way I don't. And when it makes no sense, you say that's what faith is for. When I see a flood, you see a promise. When I see a grave, you see a door. When I'm at my end, you see where the future starts. I don't know how you make a way, but I know you will. I don't know how you make a way, but I know you will. You've been good on every promise, from Eden to Zion and every dead end. And out of that grave, I don't know how you make a way, but I know you will. And when the world's on fire, it's not like you don't have a plan. And when the earth gives way on this rock, your church will stand. Nothing has ever once surprised you. Nothing has ever made you flinch. And when it all shakes out, the gates of hell don't stand a chance. I don't know how you make a way, but I know you will. I don't know how you make a way, but I know you will. You've been good on every promise, from Eden to Zion and every dead end. And out of that grave, I don't know how you make a way, but I know you will. You pulled my heart from Egypt, you carved a road through seas. From all our chains to endless praise, the story ends in you. And when we cross that Jordan, look back on where we've been. From all our chains to endless praise, the story ends in you. I don't know how you'll make a way, but I know you will. I don't know how you make a way, but I know you will. You've been good on every promise, from Eden to Zion and every dead end. And out of that grave, I don't know how you make a way, but I know you will. Yeah, I know you will. Congratulations! Now you know how to lead the song Know You Will by Hillsong with just you and an acoustic guitar. Hey, if you liked some of those advanced guitar chords that I used all throughout that tutorial that you just learned, but you want to learn even more of them and level up your guitar playing even more, make sure to check out the link in the description below to the free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I will teach you even more of those advanced guitar chords that you can substitute for the normal, boring guitar chords that everybody plays. You can implement them into your playing and level up your guitar playing pretty much instantly. So check that out in the description below. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Till I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.